In this video, let's discuss about a very common interview question, that is merge a string alternatively. The problem is here, you will be given two string words and you have to merge those strings in such a way that, let's say, word 1 is ABC, word 2 is PQR. You have to merge these two strings alternatively, means you have to get first character of first word, then first character of second word, then second character of first word, then second character of second word, like that. This will be the output. Here size of both string is same, so this is not a problem. You will iterate over each element for both word and you will start appending those words into a string builder or string. In this case, a string is immutable, so you will make use of a string builder. But if like a string size is not same, let's say here example 2, you have word 1 that is AB and word 2 that is PQRS. So output should be A, P, P, Q, and then remaining word RS should be appended at the last. Same goes for problem statement 3. Here word 1 is A, B, C, D and word 2 is PQ. So merge should be in such a way that remaining character should be appended at last. A, P, B, Q, C, D. This should be output. So how will you approach this problem? This will be question. To approach this problem, first we need to find minimum length for the given string. Given two string. We have to get the length of word 1 and then we have to get the length of word 2, and then we can compare both of the length. Whichever is minimum we can iterate at that time. Let's say here in second example we have AB and PQRS. So AB has length of 2, PQRS has length of 4. So we have to find the length, minimum length. So minimum length here is AB, that is 2. So we will iterate over 2 times. Int I equals to 0 or 1, I equals to less than minimum, and then I plus plus time, and simply we append element for 2 times. Means let's say we have a string builder class SB. So what we will do? We will do sp dot append, and we will append the first word. We will append first character from first word. Means word 1 dot char of I, that will take from here. Means it will take A. Next time what it will do? It will go to the second character. To go to the second character we can simply call the append function, and then what we can do? Let's say we will call the append function and then call the word 2 and then call the caret same I element. So this way we will iterate over 2 times and then we have the word A, then P, B, Q, but there is remaining words RS. So how will you append this? How will you find this? In outer loop, we have to do append again on like all total string, like we get SV. So what we will do? We will append character where? On SV. But how we will get remaining string? For that we have to do substring. How we can do substring? Simply we can call the substring function from a string class word1 dot substring and do the minimum. What it will do? It will go to the first word. For example, here it will go to the first word up to the 2, and then remaining whatever is there, it will try to get all the data and append it here. So there is no data, so it won't append anything here. Next, what we will do? We will do append operation again, and then we will call word2 and then substring of minimum. Next time what it will do? It will go to the this element and it will start, it will do substring here until the last element. So it will get R and S and it will append on a string builder. So what we will get? We will get AP, BQ and then RS. Let's code this solution. Let me open my IntelliJ IDEA. So here I have already given method, that is merge alternatively word1 and word2, and next I am calling those words with the given input. Inputs are these words AB, PQ, RS. So I have already added AB, PQ, RS, and output should be these characters. So what we have to do? We have to first create a string builder object. Let's create a string builder object. Then we have to find the minimum between word1 and word2. So what we can do? We can simply call the math.minimum function and pass to length. So whatever is minimum, it will be returned and stored into minimum. Next, we will start iterating over words using for loop until the count of minimum. So let us start for loop. We will start from int I equals to 0, then I less than minimum. So it will go up to the, in this case it will go up to the 3, in this case it will go up to the 2, then I plus plus. Next what we have to do? We have to get the character based on I and then append it to a string builder. Here we got the word1 caret I. So word1 caret I is A, then we are appending word2 caret I. So word2 caret I is P. So we got AP. In next iteration we will go to the second I equals to 1. So caret 1 will be B, caret 1 will be Q. So BQ, then it will come out from this for loop. What we have to do next? We have to find the substring. So first we will do word1 substring minimum and word2 substring minimum, and we will append that. At last, what we have to do, we have to convert this string builder into a string and return that string. So we converted that string builder and returned. Let's run and see the output. So we got the output APBQCR, APBQCR, and for the second output should be APBQRS, APBQRS. We got same output. And for third one, there should be APBQ, and then last remaining two should be appended at last, APBQ, and it is appended at last. So let's check this solution into LeetCode. So I have written this code and submitted. So here is the accepted solution, and you can see this beats all the Java codes. I mean 100% users with Java. So this is the fastest solution whatever we presented here. So you can say that this is the most optimized solution what we have written here.